We'll show you in this Wix tutorial how to remove domain from Wix. So what you're gonna have to do here is just to click on settings here, and then here we have domains, click on domains. And then from here, we just need to click on the three dots right over here. And then here we have the option to remove from Wix. And now remove your domain from Wix. If you choose to remove your domain, the following will occur. Site visitor won't be able to find your site at. They won't be able to use the website in a Wix account unless you reconnect it. Any connected email accounts will stop working. Any redirecting domains will be unassigned. You'll lose access to additional services. So just make sure you are sure if you want to remove your domain. You also can select here keep domain, but I'm just gonna click on remove domain. So if you click on here, now pretty much removed your domain. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have more suggestions for questions for Wix, also just leave your questions down below. Also, if you have suggestions for the next Wix tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.